What I wish I knew at 16 instead of learning it at 30, just how dangerous seed oils are. Let's dive in. This hidden threat doesn't just sit in your pantry, it sneaks into your liver, your brain, and even your nerves. It's packed with hexane. Yes, the same chemical found in gasoline. It's rancid, it's oxidized, and inside your body, it acts like rust, breaking down your tissues silently over time. Even worse, this food doesn't just pass through. It can take up to 2 years to clear out of your system. And when you cook with it, things get even more toxic. High heat transforms it into a chemical storm of dangerous byproducts that can destroy your cells, spark relentless inflammation, and trigger fibrosis, scar tissue that quietly damages your organs. So, what is this stealthy saboteur? Seed oils. Yes, those heart-healthy oils you've been told are better for you, like canola, soybean, corn, and sunflower oil, are loaded with unsaturated fats that are highly unstable. Once they oxidize, they unleash chaos inside your body. If you're serious about protecting your health, it's time to take a hard look at your kitchen. Start swapping out those toxic seed oils for safer alternatives like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, or even grass-fed butter. Want to learn more about foods that silently sabotage your health? Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your body will thank you. Remember, the food you eat either fuels your health or feeds disease. Make the choice that fuels your future.